My name is Chaute Thompson. I am a licensed mental health counselor and I am your restoration expert, founder of Brand New Me, where I help women to rediscover and redefine themselves after they've experienced a significant breakup, and then from there, building healthier relationships, first with themselves and then with others. Today, I'm so excited. We are going to talk about the journey of healing and rediscovering yourself after a breakup. Let's dive right in. First, when we are rediscovering and healing from a breakup, we first need to be patient with ourselves, allow ourselves to feel the funk, right? But not get stuck in the funk. So go through the process of grieving, of paying attention to what we're feeling, why we're feeling it, and then from there, taking steps to heal. Okay, so that's first. Feel the funk, but don't get stuck in the funk, right? Next, we're going to journal. Process what we're feeling, process what we've experienced. Talk about how you are moving forward, what you want to do differently, what you've learned from your experience, right? All of these things are things that you can actually write about, process, spend some time in reflection and introspection. All right? Once we do that, it's important to start diving into different activities that's going to bring you joy and bring you peace, right? So thinking about ways to improve yourself. It could be by reading certain books, or it might be listening to certain podcasts, or having certain discussions. All of these different things, forming new habits, new adventures, new experiences that's going to help you to kind of learn yourself all over again. Because many times when we're in a relationship, we lose ourselves because we're so focused on pleasing our partner and making sure that our partner's okay, and then everyone around us, that we kind of lose focus with our own selves. So this is where we kind of get back to the basics of self, what we want moving forward, and how we're going to make sure that we're getting that. What do we need to learn to be able to improve ourselves, right? Once we do that, now it's time to socialize. Start getting out there and meeting individuals, and this doesn't have to be dating, right? This can be forming new friendships. It could be where you're spending time with your family and with your friends, right? But just making sure that you're getting out and you are connecting with others. Once we're able to do that, we need to make sure that we are having an attitude of gratitude. It makes a huge difference when we are in a grateful spirit. We're able to see things through different lenses when we are staying more positive, right? So each of the things that we're discussing right now, it's not to be done one after the other, but all of these things are things that we can do on our healing and rediscovering journey. All right. So we are spending time making sure that we have an attitude of gratitude. I love to tell my clients to each day, making sure that we're able to find at least 2 or 3 things that we're grateful for, something that was positive within that day. All right. And then last, we need to rekindle love. Right? Now, this is where you're spending time dating yourself. You might make a list of things that you really want to try and get back into. Your past hobbies, adventures that you want to start doing or you've never started and you really want to get into, spending time with your loved ones. These are all of these different things now that you are going to rekindle a love within yourself, because we have to remember, we cannot expect someone else to enjoy our presence if we cannot enjoy our own presence. So it starts with us. Okay, so those are the 6 things that we can start doing to start our healing journey and rediscovering ourselves. If you would like to continue this process, I have a wonderful book called Brand New Me, Complemented, Completed, and Whole. This is where there's wonderful, relatable stories and different activities for you to do to really start that reflection and introspection journey, to learn from your past experiences and take note of how you want to show up for yourself moving forward. There's a lot of growth that takes place from doing the work in this book. You can find this on my website, Brand New Me Journey. If you'd like to stay connected, I'd love to connect with you. You can connect with me on Instagram at Chaute Thompson. You can also join my Facebook community, Brand New Me Journey. Until next time, be intentionally hopeful and authentically you.